So the first thing you need to do is grab yourself a 15 millimeter, remove this bolt, there's a bolt hiding right there, and then the last one is right up there. Once you remove this bracket, then you'll be able to get to the 13 millimeter on your starter. Now, you got one of those lovely automotive clips right here. Don't break that. And then you have your actual power terminal right up here on top. On this one, it took me all of 30 minutes to get all of this stuff taken apart, and it took me another 4.5 hours, plus I'll show you some fun stuff that happened last night. This is the aftermath of last night. So we bent this extension, quite obviously, and this one you can't quite tell, but that one's bent as well. I'll show you some pictures right now. The first picture is what the hole that the bolt goes into is supposed to look like. The second picture, which is here, is exactly what it is not supposed to look like. How did I get it out, you might ask? Well, good friends, cold beer, and a blowtorch. When in doubt, resort to heat.
Okay.
Moment of truth. You ready? Please work.
Yes.